Someone left me a voice message and I don't even know who it is.
What'd they say? It's probably that girl. It's definitely that girl that was calling you. Okay, anyway, hi. Are you done? This is Dee.
Hey.
We just dyed my hair.
We just dyed my hair.
Okay, it's black. It's so dark.
And it's short, but I like it.
I don't know how I'm gonna get used to it. It's so short.
Who the fuck is this?
I don't know.
It sounds like a Russian person.
It's a girl.
Grace is Russian, yeah.
Okay, so, yeah. My hair's really short. It's
So
gonna
we're
be
just
different.
hanging out.
Just chilling.
Chilling.
So boys holler. No, I'm just kidding. What the hell was the deuces? I don't know what the point of that was, but yeah. I just threw up my deuces for no reason. Alright, so bye. Wait, bye.
No.
No? What the hell do you want to talk about?
No.
I'm so tired. Zita doesn't have a MySpace. She deleted it.
I don't like my
Mine is getting deleted
Fuck
soon too.
MySpace.
So
Fuck
stalkers, you gotta
MySpace.
hop off.
Facebook is the new shit. Upgrade.
Yo, why do I keep throwing up deuces? You see this? I'm like that.
Upgrade to Facebook, fuckers. You're just like, yeah.
That's better.
Like, yeah.
Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye.